pregnancy is when a lot of physiologic, metabolic and anatomic changes happen in the body in order to safely carry you through the journey of pregnancy. So let's look at some of these changes for us to rationalize how safe working out during pregnancy is. Some of the metabolic changes that happen in the body are mainly related to how the body utilizes glucose and fats, and this is generally because of the increased energy expenditure and the energy requirements of the mother because of the growing fetus in the body. So during the end of pregnancy, there is a tendency for the body to retain a little bit of fat in order to prepare you for the post-pregnancy period of nursing, etc. Physiologically, there is a lot of changes that can occur in all of the organ systems in the body, and these are generally orchestrated by the mother's hormones, what is called as the corpus luteum, and also the developing endocrine glands of the fetus. So physiologically, if you look at the uterus changes a lot in size and volume. So it starts at about 70 grams at the beginning of pregnancy, and the weight increases to about 1100 grams towards the end of pregnancy. Along with this, there are a lot of changes in the cardiovascular system also. So the amount of blood volume increases to about 45 to 50% during pregnancy. So this is called as hypervolemia. Along with this, there is an increase in cardiac output, there is an increase in the heart rate, and there is variation in the blood pressure during different phases of pregnancy. Anatomically, because of the increasing size of the breasts, which starts happening around the second month of pregnancy, and the increasing size and volume of the uterus, there is a shift in the center of gravity of the body forward. So in order to compensate for this, the spine develops what is called as a lumbar lordosis to bring the center of gravity back to its original position. So because of this shift in the center of gravity, there is issues with balance during pregnancy. Second thing is the joints become lax or little loose in order to accommodate the delivery process. Third thing is the symphysis pubis and the sacroiliac joints, which are basically the hip joints, they become a little bit more relaxed because of certain hormones called relaxin and progesterone, which are produced by the body. This also happens so that the body can prepare for delivery. So the sacroiliac and the symphysis pubis joints become a little relaxed. The connective tissue and the cartilage in these joints relax a little bit. Not only this, the femur muscle gets outwardly rotated. So because of these changes in the hip joint, there is a shift or change in the gait, what we call as the waddling gait. So the gait changes during pregnancy. So the laxity in the muscles and the change in gait and the shift in center of gravity all lead to changes in balance, increased chances of strains and sprains during pregnancy. These are the things which we need to be cautious about during pregnancy, along with the cardiovascular changes that also happen inside the body. So is it not safe for me to work out during pregnancy? Now this is a question which has to be very carefully evaluated. First thing is because gestational diabetes mellitus or development of diabetes during pregnancy is a very high risk factor for complications during your pregnancy and your delivery. It is best for you to pay attention to your nutrition and also to keep physically active during pregnancy. So if you are someone who has always been active during pregnancy, there should be no concerns about you being active also. Ensuring that you have no other complications that are developing during pregnancy, you can continue with your usual activities. But for someone who has never worked out, some of the activities which are safe to carry out during pregnancy are going for a walk. A simple walk of about 30 minutes will also help you to stay active during pregnancy. Another safe activity during pregnancy is swimming, because staying in water tends to protect your joints, your muscles, and keeps you a little lighter and balanced and reduces the risk of injuries. So walking and swimming are good activities that you can carry out during pregnancy. So staying active during pregnancy is very, very important in order to prevent a lot of complications during pregnancy. But you have to speak to your obstetrician gynecologist before you get the go ahead for any kind of physical activity, whether you have been physically active before pregnancy or not. So there are certain conditions or situations where you might be advised to take rest, and please listen to your obstetrician gynecologist's advice. If you are in a situation where you need rest, rest is of paramount importance during those times. If not, if you are having a normal pregnancy with no complications and your gynecologist tells you that it's okay for you to be physically active, it is perfectly fine, and in fact it is advisable that you stay physically active during pregnancy. Hope this helps and answers most of your questions. If you do have any questions, or if you want to see any kind of content particularly on our channel, please comment below and let us know, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more health and wellness related content.